Nitrile gloves. Crusher is crushing nitrile gloves into different size of granules, 3 to 8 millimeters. WANROOETECH crusher machine is designed as tangential, feeding so that feeding and swallowing more outstanding. Crushed nitrile gloves can be recycled for reproduction of rubber products. This machine can help reduce the volume of waste, greatly save costs and resources. Nitrile gloves flex rubber pulverizer. 2 millstones contained in the machine are moving millstone and fixed millstone. The grinding can be achieved through the relative motion of the 2 millstones. The machine is ideal for grinding 1 to 4 millimeters nitrile. Gloves flex into 20 to 100 mesh powder at normal temperatures.